Okay, here's most of the angle iron that we got when we went on a metal scrap run yesterday. And I just set it up here on the table. I got the chop saw out, and I'm just gonna start cutting the thickest that we got yesterday into 45-degree angles. And I'm gonna make a base and we'll build something. Probably another box, I don't know. We'll make it up as we go along, like we always do. Talking over the TV set here. We got our base cut to 45-degree angles, and we're just going to take it outside and grind the edges, the mill scale off of here so that we can weld it properly. You know, I normally don't do that. I'm going to do it. Blah, blah, blah. The news is nothing but bad these days. So we make our own good news, right? We make our own crap. So we're just gonna start with a base, just a base, and then go from there. So what I like to do is just like make two 90-degree angles and then connect them together instead of fooling around with the whole thing at once. So we'll get it squared up and we'll get our settings on the Miller-Matic 255 today, because that's whose turn it is. We like to mix up the welders because of we don't want to run out of gas in any of them all at the same time is what I mean. Let's see here. Let's go up a little bit here. Let's turn that down to 15.5. Okay, that's new. That's, ooh, look at that. That's free, ain't it? No?
Yep, that's covered under a campaign.
And this is a new fuel system, right?
New fuel filter, new water separator, which comes with a cartridge style filter in it instead of just a screen. Better filtration out of it so that we're not wrecking injectors anymore.
Okay, that's the old. Look at the difference in that. Wow. Huge difference.
Did you shut off the heater in that garage?
Yeah.
Every piece from the ground up. You know that you're getting the best.
Boy, are we a hub of activity today. We got the people from Quality Equipment, Kubota here. They're going to service both my tractors, the Kubota and the John Deere. Get them off the list so they'll be good to go for at least a couple of years, you know. They're putting a whole new fuel system in the Kubota, which is free to me, but it's, you know, kind of surprises me. I guess there's been some problems with some fuel injectors. And then there's one company blaming the other, you know, the injector companies blaming the fuel system and vice versa. I don't know, but they're putting in a bigger, better fuel system for my Kubota, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. So they're also going to completely service my John Deere, and we'll be good to go with the maintenance, hopefully, for a couple of years. You know, being that I don't use them like you're supposed to use them. Let's just say that. We just use them around the farm here. So I want to get the settings right. Oh yeah, we got our main septic. We have two septics on the property. We're having our main septic pumped, so we won't have that to worry about for about 3 more years too, which is awesome. It's just nice to get those things off the list, get them done, and a good feeling, let's just say. So let's get the settings on this, and let's get these tacked down and welded up. This bottom frame, the starting point, let's just say. So we have our fume extractor hooked up to the welder, so it comes on automatically. That is so cool. And because it's cold out today, and windy, we'll be leaving the doors and everything closed. buddy. Let's weld it up. We have a base. We have a big, thick metal base to start with. And it is 22 by 22, I do believe. 22 inches, yep. Yeah, buddy. A little bigger than 22. So there's our base. And a sound base it is. So what next? I don't know. I gotta cipher some. Probably build a top out of something. It's all gonna be varying thicknesses of metal and varying sizes, I guess. Some small, some big, some thick, some not so thick, some whatever we got. We're gonna stick it to this. And it is going to be a phenomenon. A phenomenon. is going to be badass. All right, guys. Hey, at least we got started, right? We got started on a project. That's all I wanted to accomplish today. I got too many other things to do, like checking up on my tractors and stuff. So I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless. Boy, does Candy have a cozy fire going right now. Boy, is that nice. And I can see that my farm wife canned some carrots. And she's got her ironing board out because she wants to iron my welding jacket. I'm sure that's what it is. What else could it be?